Wait, did you catch that? Over 8 DWIs. That's not just bad luck, that's Olympic-level repeat offending. And trust me, judges don't forget numbers like that.
Defense. Is this state has said that she has allegedly over 8 DWIs. Does she allegedly have over 8 DWIs?
That have been alleged, yes.
Ouch. The judge just turned into the hype killer. Court isn't a dating show, folks. It's not about moral support cuddles, it's about the law. And yes, judges will call you out if you're acting like you're courtside at a basketball game.
This is not like love goes west. Why y'all all hooked up? Alright, are you on the dock? Yes, you. Female, are you on the dock? Were you late today?
Yes.
No, you were not. So you need to remove yourself from that program. You don't need that kind of court. At least not in court.
Copy. Yeah, absolutely.
So yes, you don't need to keep on the car. If you see Rossmore now,
Ah, here's the big fight. GPS ankle monitors. They're like digital babysitters. Defense says, take it off, she's good. State says, nope, she's a risk to the public. And with 8 DWIs on her record, you can see why the state isn't exactly in a trusting mood.
Court is calling 2024 CR 359, State of Texas versus Kelly Cotner. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Florida State Justice.
Defense?
George Sherman on behalf of Ms. Cobb.
Are you Ms. Cotner?
Yes, Judge.
All right, defense has filed a motion to alter and amend bond conditions. They're asking for removal of the GPS monitor. State, do you have any objections?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are your objections?
Judge, I believe the DWI prevention solution for GPS to stay in place. Again, this is complicated. This is something that issue where when they are, they possibly should be directly.
All right, is she on a ignition interlock?
Yes, please.
Well, now, excuse me, don't do that unless you're called as a witness. Does ignition interlock address that issue or does it not address the issue?
Judge, again, the word is completely DWI. So, ignition interlock on one car, she's trying to get you car. So that's why the safety is.
All right, so how will GPS show she's not in a vehicle?
Oh, Judge, if she has see how to full how those parcels she is, you know, with the she's not on GPS, we have no idea. And she's still in, she was her home, she no longer in her home, we immediately get into the car that's not her.
All right, so she has put in here, or at least there's a letter attached to the motion stating that she is helping someone go to their doctor's appointments. So do you have any objections to her going to doctor's appointments with someone?
Her doctor's appointments, no.
Yeah. It's to another person, Mr. Eloy Lopez. Have you had a chance to read the affidavit that is attached to the motion? All right. So, State, did you have a chance to review the affidavit attached to the motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you still have your same objections?
Yes.
All right. First question, defense. Is this state has said that she has allegedly over 8 DWIs. Does she allegedly?
Wow. This is a curveball. She's painting herself not as a danger, but as a caretaker. An 87-year-old man depends on her daily. Powerful stuff. But here's the courtroom tension. Can someone with 8 DWIs convince a judge she's trustworthy enough for that responsibility?
Have over 8 DWIs?
That have been alleged, yes.
Okay. All right. So you've heard the state's concerns.
Well, I would like Ms. Partner just to tell you why she needs to do this.
All right. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sure.
All right. You can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Kelly Cotner.
All right. You may ask your questions.
Okay, Ms. Cotton, just explain to the judge why you need to get that off. To help you.
I am currently the caretaker for an elder gentleman by the name of Eloy Lopez Sr. Mr. Lopez is 87 years old, and he has some cognitive decline on his roof. Recently, I helped him recover. I administered drops in all recovery from a cataract surgery. He loves me like a daughter now. I do everything. I feed him. I wash his dishes. I make sure that he does not have any falls. He uses a walker to get around, and he depends on me. And he cries, and he really cares for me, and I'm enjoying and getting a lot of fulfillment out of helping him. He genuinely needs his help. He's hard of hearing, and when he goes to doctors, stores, he's very gentle and kind with him. He's not afraid to speak with him.
Here's the dilemma. GPS means structure, but caregiving often needs flexibility. What do you think? Should a judge prioritize strict monitoring or allow leniency when an elderly man's health is at stake? Drop your take in the comments.
I understand what he's trying to say, but a stranger who might be familiar with him might yell at him and try to understand what he's trying to say. I've been able to do that with doctors, nurses, and secretaries. And this man loves me like a daughter, and I would like to be able to take him in an Uber comfortably and assist him at the doctor's office, at the grocery store, when he gets out of state of groceries. Which I can buy from him.
All right, why can't that be done with GPS?
Well, she.
No. She's on the witness stand. Why can't that be done with GPS?
Well, Your Honor, I had no violations after 8.5 months on GPS.
No. My question is, why can't that be done with GPS?
Well, I have to put in 24 hours notice for any GPS needs, which I've been able to do successfully for any needs of my own. But Mr. Eloy Lopez sometimes thinks right at the moment that he might need.
All right, State, with regards to her testimony, do you have any questions?
How long have you been employed by Mr. Lopez?
Since January of 2024.
And so far, you've had no issues according to.
And there it is, the hammer. GPS stays on. The judge isn't budging, but offers a compromise. Schedule her caregiving trips in advance. Translation: compassion balanced with caution. A reminder that in court, mercy always wrestles with public safety.
We need traffic slip to take help now. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So far, you've been able to accommodate helping him also get this.
Made it happen. It's been difficult, but yes.
All right, any other questions?
Well, Ms. Cotton, are you asking to be able to take him to other locations that you do not have access to right now?
Well, I have access to.
Well, in other words, you're in lockdown home, correct?
Yes, sir.
And if he needs to go somewhere, you can't take him without permission. Is that correct?
Correct.
Are you asking the judge to allow you to take him where he needs to go without having contact with the trial service?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is the court's suggestion. My suggestion is you all step back. I'm not going to remove GPS. The problem is, one, people in my court, I don't allow them to be home healthcare providers, and that's what she's doing. However, she's not been convicted of this offense for the court, so the occupation is her occupation. I'm assuming, hopefully, that the family knows her history before they hired her. So I'm not going to remove the GPS. Y'all need to step back and work on a schedule, and that will be her schedule because she is on partial. So y'all work on a schedule that includes the person that she is caring for. And I would suggest that an address for that gentleman be included in this. All right, is there anything else?
I'll get with the state on that.
And
If y'all will work on that,
it will come back.